How to connect APIfy to your n8n workflow and use the Google scraper in this case as an example. So first of all, you're gonna have to add the node HTTP request. Once you've added that, you're gonna go to APIfy, create your account, login. Once you're logged in, go to actors, go to store, and then search for Google Maps. And it's gonna be the first one. So it's gonna be this compass, as you can see here. And once you've found that one, you're gonna go to the right, API clients, and then go to curl, copy this entire thing, go to OpenAI and ask it to, can you turn this into a curl for, I don't even think you need to mention n in this. Can you turn this into a curl? Okay, yeah, so it sends me over here. Close that. So there you go. So once you have that curl, all you need to do is go back to n8n, import the curl itself, and now you have it in there. The next thing you got to do is you can remove all of this because we don't generally want to add the API token inside the URL in case you share this workflow. People are going to have access to that. So we're just going to remove all of that, except for runs. We're going to keep that. Once you've removed the token from the URL, we go down to authentication and we do generic in this case, and then we do query out. And once you've selected query out, you do create new credential. And then we're just going to go back to our account. You go to settings, in this case, API integrations, and you just copy your key. You paste your key here and you write token up top. And I'm just going to write demo here. And then you save that. And once you've saved that, you're done. So that's essentially it. So if we run this now, I'm gonna get, yeah. So that's the results from the search with n8n. Of course, the next step is that you actually kind of need to add another HTTP request because we need to get the data. So we need to actually use this URL here and then use that over here to actually get. So this is only a thing with the Google Maps actor, that you need to take the data set, which is over here, and then you need to add it after data set ID, as you can see here, so that you can actually get the data, because now I actually got that restaurant or whatever it is on the right side. So that's essentially how you will set that up. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.